Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say,
from D-Town to H-Town, you know that I got you, girl. Know that I'm gon' love you forever. It's my town and your town. Now that we're here, we gon' build this empire together. When you smile, I smile. As long as I got you, I'm gon' make sure that you smile forever. You're two down, I'm so proud. No matter the weather, we gon' pull through the storms together. You're my queen and I'm your king. You're my love, my everything. You have my heart and yours with me. I'm feeling like it's destiny.
What's up, y'all? So today is January, what's today?
I don't know. January 23rd.
January 23rd. It's about 10:11 a.m. and we are now in Houston, but we headed to Galveston, Texas.
Y'all know what's in Galveston, right?
Which is about an hour and 6 minutes away. Let them know what's in Galveston.
The cruise port. And they like, wait, what's at the cruise port? The cruises! We going on a cruise!
You silly. But yeah, we definitely going on the cruise today. We got our luggage in the back. You can't see it. It's all the way back there.
I packed my whole closet.
Literally.
I didn't know what to take. I don't know what's acceptable on the cruise, what's not acceptable. I heard you got to dress up for the captain dinner. You know, I'm trying to be prepared.
So we doing a 5-day, 4-night cruise to Mexico, Cozumel, Mexico, and we're excited. You know, I've been on a cruise before, but I've only been on Carnival. We're actually going on Royal Carribean this time, so that's going to be exciting. This is Sam's first cruise.
First cruise. Can you see it? Can you see it on my face? I'm so excited. I'm so ready to go, bro. It's crazy. Like, last time we really traveled was Mexico, and like now we starting our travel right back off, starting with Mexico. So yeah, that's dope. That's dope for sure.
Yep. So we are, like I said, we head there now. We about to get something to eat, then go to the port, and we're gonna take y'all with us. And we also gotta find parking, so that'll be a task probably. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
And make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos.
anywhere.
So we are in Galveston. Look at the water, it's so pretty. Y'all, we almost there. It's 8 minutes, 8 minutes. Y'all, why Sam talk about...
Waffle House in a minute.
Oh, we going to Waffle House, I forgot. Why Sam talk about, I'm getting nervous. I'm like, what would you get nervous for?
Watching YouTube videos, them ships kind of big.
Oh,
it's a big old ship.
It's going to be huge, but, you know, it's going to be cool.
Big dog, get out the way. Let me get past you, player.
It's going to be cool. We almost there, y'all. I forgot. I keep forgetting we're going to eat first. We're going to Waffle House, and then
we're going there. We got to check in at the right time. Yep. We got to check in time. Yeah.
Hey, y'all, listen. So this is our first trip since we had our baby Nyla, and well, actually, this is our first trip since before we got pregnant.
Yep.
The last time we been out of the country,
we was moving back into America.
Yeah, was when we was coming from Mexico. So
it's been a good little minute.
Yeah, it's been a while. Like, it's been a long time. Dang, we have not been on a trip since we moved back from Mexico. Wow.
We went to San Antonio.
Oh, we went to, yeah, I remember San Antonio. Okay, so we haven't been international since we moved back to Mexico. So y'all know Galveston, like, if you want to go to the nice places, if you want to go to the Bahamas, Honduras, all that, in a short amount of time, you got to leave from the Miami port. Because Galveston, if you want to go somewhere in a short time, the only place you're going is Mexico.
Mexico!
I hate that.
That's all.
We're going to have to go to Florida one time and try.
We're gonna drive down there and go on a cruise. I just want to, you know, this is the tester cruise. We got to see if I like cruising. You know, I ain't want to go too far for my first cruise, and then I ain't like that shit. Then we got to come all the way back from Florida. At least we in Texas still. We can just.
You gonna love this shit.
Yeah, I intend
You
to.
gonna love this shit.
I intend to. I got my shit for the nausea in case I get nauseous. I got the seasick bands in case I get seasick. You know, the waves might make you seasick, so I got the seasick band. You know what I'm saying?
Alrighty.
Waffle says.
That food was good as fuck, okay?
Online, it was a lot of chaos, so I was like, you know what, we're gonna come a little early so we can see where to park at. That's kind of close. They wanted like $100 to park somewhere, and then we had to walk to the cruise. Ain't no way. The Disney Magic Cruise. Where do we find the parking at? Yeah, we're trying to park and just pay. Can we do that?
If y'all haven't paid, I would go up to that man in that neon hat right there and talk to him. He'll be able to help y'all out.
Appreciate you.
Thank you.
You too. Neon hat. We're searching for the man with the neon hat. Bring your ass here, neon hat. Come here. Come here, I'm on your ass, neon hat. Come here. I'm gonna talk to this lady right here.
Shit back there. Hello.
In the drop of your luggage, make sure your passport is not in there.
That's not.
You are sailing, congratulations.
Thank
Have
you.
a nice time.
ma'am, you can come through. You're on board. You're on board. Thank you, we're good to go, huh?
Yay!
All right, do that. Looks like we're making some progress, huh?
We are almost on the ship.
We're boarding. We're boarding.
Almost there.
I didn't know your master station number, please.
Number 3.
B11. B11. Right at the end, you take us on the clean base, right side. 336. B15. Right over here with the guys on the green base.
C10.
C10. Sliding doors at the end, opposite side.
Alright y'all, so we finally on the ship, as you can see. So we about to walk around a little bit. We still waiting for our room to get done, and it got about 2 more hours, so we can go drink and stuff. So that's
We can go drink right now. We got to do something right now. But this has been this video, so we appreciate y'all tuning in.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Hit that bell so you don't miss the next video.
Talk to you later.